The Consew 327RB-1 double needle lock stitch sewing machine is equipped for high-speed, angular stitching on medium to heavy-duty materials such as cloth, leather, canvas, vinyl, synthetics and various other coated and laminated materials. Specially designed for sewing operations which require decorative or functional, angular stitching such as collars, lapels, pocket flaps, pockets, and fly fronts. Also used for stitching such products as wearing apparel, tablecloths, brassieres, and leather accessories using general parallel/2 needle stitching. This Lockstitch machine features a split needle bar, drop feed, needle feed with Centra-Lube semi-automatic lubrication system. The compound feed mechanism assures perfect and uniform stitching and eliminates slippage. Other features include large hooks and bobbins, special bobbin case cap for eliminating loose bottom stitches when angular stitching is employed, easy operation of disengageable right and left needle bars by use of finger touch lever, Centra-Lube registered trademark semi-automatic lubrication system, automatic hook lubrication, oil-fed take-up, reverse stitching, large range of gauge sets available. Safety clutch protects the hooks from being damaged. This machine sews up to 2,200 stitches per minute. Standard or full function with 4.5 stitches per inch or 5.5 millimeters per inch. The clearance under the presser foot is 7 millimeters. Available workspace is 10 inches or 258 millimeters. Needle used is 135x7. Bobbin is pre-wound U. Bed size is 7 inches by 20 and 3/8 inches or 177 millimeters by 518 millimeters. Stitch type for this machine is 301. Needle bar stroke is 1 1/4 inches or 32 millimeters. The hook number is 16,407. Needle distances are 1/4 inch standard with options varying from 1/8 inch to 1 1/4 inch available. Please see the written video description for additional specifications. All of our sewing machine stands come with a 3/4 horsepower, single phase, adjustable, 110 volt servo motor, heavy duty legs, and neutral color Formica tabletop. For more information on this machine, please click the website link or go to www.moositrading.com. We are an authorized Consew distributor but also offer many other options. If you need help with figuring out the best machine for your needs, let me know and I would be happy to help. Subscribe to my channel for more videos and fun demonstrations. Goodbye.